Welcome to the Helen Chemistry channel. Today's topic SN1 mechanism. S stands for substitution, N stands for nucleophile, 1 stands for unimolecular. Nucleophile means electron rich species, unimolecular means rate of reaction depends on only one molecule. Okay, SN1 mechanism occurs in two steps. Rate of reaction depends upon alkyl halide, okay, reactant. There are only one reactant, that is alkyl halide. For example, a reaction with tertiary butyl bromide with KOH CH3 tertiary butyl bromide. Here bromine is broken. Bromine takes away these two electrons, so it is formed tertiary butyl alcohol. Attack of nucleophile takes place and it forms the tertiary butyl alcohol. Okay. Mechanism, it is a two-step process. Already I told you it is two-step process. Step 1, formation of carbocation. Carbon bromine breaks to form carbocation and bromide ion. Carbon bromine breaks to form carbocation and bromide ion. It is rate determining step. So step 1 is rate determining step. Okay. So step 2, the nucleophile reacts with the carbocation. The step is fast. Okay. Step 1 is slow step. Step 2 is fast step. Okay. So step 1 is the rate determining step. So rate of reaction depends upon only alkyl halide. Step 1, slow step. Okay. Here bromine takes away 2 electron. So because carbon and bromine shared electrons, so now bromine is more electronegative. Okay, so this bromine takes away these 2 electrons, so now carbon becomes a electron deficient, so we are represented by its plus charge, and bromine minus, bromine minus. Okay, this is slow step. Step 1, tertiary alkyl bromide, slow step. Bromine takes away 2 electron, so now this carbon center becomes deficient of electron, so C plus. This is the carbocation, this is the bromide ion. Step 2, attack of nucleophile takes place. This is the first step and we are getting tertiary butyl alcohol. If nucleophile attacks front side of the carbon atom, we are getting structure like this. If the nucleophile attacks this carbocation from the back side, we are getting this structure. So these are the optically inactive. When you pass the plane polarized state, it becomes optically inactive. These two structure become optically inactive. Okay, this is the slow step. First step 1 is formation of carbocation. Carbon bromine breaks to form carbocation and bromide ion. It is rate determining step. Step 2, nucleophile reacts with the carbocation. The step is fast. Step 1, slow step, formation of carbocation and bromide ion. Step 2 is a fast one. Attack of nucleophile maybe takes place front side of the carbon and back side of the carbon. If the attack on nucleophile takes place at the front side of the carbon atom, we are getting tertiary butyl alcohol structure like this. If your attack of nucleophile takes place back side, we are getting structure like this. So both are the optically inactive structure. Thank you.